Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be playing with two beautiful colors from Risen Legacy, and these colors are from the new collection called I'll Be Home for Christmas, and it is a collection of 4 different colors, and it's more of like a retro Christmas vibe of 1950s, so I'm super excited. So the first color here is called Pining for You. It's a beautiful fine teal sparkly glitter, and the shimmer in here is beautiful, and it's a super fine glitter. And then the next one here is called Spruced Up, and it is a mixture of fine and chunky glitter, and it carries over with that beautiful retro teal, and then it has gold in it, and it's super pretty. And I really like the mixture of the fine and chunky glitter, and the gold makes it really pop. And then here are the two colors together that we're going to be using from the new collection. I'm really excited about this collection, and if you saw any of the sneak peeks, then you already saw the other 2 colors in the collection that we will be playing with tomorrow, so stay tuned for part number 2. And I really love the theme of this collection. I think that the 1950s inspired Christmas is super cute and super fun. It's something different. It's not your traditional Christmas colors. These colors are really awesome. When you see all 4 of them together at the end of the video, these colors are great for all year long, especially because of the teal. And check out that beautiful glitter. I love it so much. Now, I know I've talked about this in several of my videos that Risen Legacy has the best shimmer dips out there. I love them hands down. I know I used Angel Wings in a last video. I love it so much. And Fairy Dust is one of my favorites, all-time favorites. So this one right here with that beautiful teal is just as good as all the rest of the shimmers she has to offer. So if you love shimmers that lay super flat and are super pigmented, really easy to work with, these are definitely going to be your jam. All right, so for today's mani, we are doing a press on, and we're doing the gel method. I will go ahead and let you enjoy this mani process, and I'll pop back in at the end. Alright, so we're just wrapping up this fun retro Christmas mani, and how pretty is it? I think the shimmer and the chunky glitter is super, super pretty. So this collection, I'll Be Home for Christmas, is releasing tomorrow, Friday, November 11th. Stay tuned for part number 2. I will be using the other 2 colors in tomorrow's video. I will go ahead and link everything in the description box below, including everything you need to make your own press-ons, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.